Why do some countries suddenly make their currency weaker? Why does the value of money fall on purpose? Today, we will explain why countries devalue their currency and how it affects the economy and people. Currency devaluation means a government or central bank intentionally lowers the value of its national currency compared to other currencies like the US dollar or euro. When a currency becomes weaker, a country's products become cheaper for foreign buyers. This helps increase exports and makes local industries more competitive in global markets. Devaluation makes imported goods more expensive. People and businesses then prefer locally produced products, which supports domestic industries. If a country imports more than it exports, it faces a trade deficit. Devaluation helps balance trade by boosting exports and reducing imports. Higher exports mean more production, more factories working, and more jobs. This increases overall economic activity and growth. Sometimes a currency is kept artificially strong. This hurts exporters and helps importers. Devaluation brings the currency closer to its real market value. A weaker currency makes land, factories, and businesses cheaper for foreign investors. This attracts investment and brings foreign capital into the country. Countries with low foreign reserves may struggle to pay debts in dollars. Devaluation increases export earnings, helping them earn foreign currency for repayment. Sometimes international financial institutions recommend devaluation as part of economic reform programs to stabilize weak economies. Devaluation increases the prices of imported goods like fuel and food. This causes inflation and reduces purchasing power.
Honey, everything's getting expensive.
I know, how will we manage?
When prices rise and salaries remain the same, people suffer. Life becomes more expensive for ordinary citizens. Foreign loans become more expensive in local currency. This increases pressure on government finances. Devaluation is not a magic solution. Without strong policies like productivity growth and corruption control, it can create long-term problems. Countries devalue their currency to boost exports, reduce trade deficits, and stimulate growth. But if used carelessly, it causes inflation, poverty, and strong institutions, not just weak currency. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more economic explainers.